Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove and replace your toilet. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is shut off the water supply. Turn off the water supply by turning the shutoff valve clockwise. Next, disconnect the water supply. Disconnect the water supply line from the toilet tank with an adjustable wrench. Have a bucket ready to catch any water dripping from the supply line. Use a screwdriver to remove the caps covering the bolts at the base of the toilet, and then unscrew the nuts using an adjustable wrench. With a utility knife, cut through the caulk around the base of the toilet. Next, remove the toilet water tank. Unscrew the bolts connecting the toilet tank to the bowl using a screwdriver. Carefully lift the tank off the bowl and set it aside. Now we're ready to pull out the old toilet. Prepare a place to put the toilet, then lift it up and pull it free from the flange. Be ready for any last bits of water to spill out during this step. Next, we're going to clean off the wax ring and the flange. If there was an old wax ring, clean off the flange with a putty knife or shop towels. Now we can install the new brass toilet bolts. Insert new bolts into the flange by aligning them with the open holes on the flange. The new bolts will secure the toilet bowl in place. Next, measure the distance from the wall to the center of the toilet flange. After that, place a new wax ring on top of the flange and apply pressure. Be careful when removing the plastic, you don't want to compromise the shape of the ring. Carefully lower the toilet bowl onto the wax ring and align the holes on the base with the bolts. Apply equal pressure to make sure you get a tight seal. Next, place washers and nuts onto the bolts and tighten them with an adjustable wrench. Be careful not to over tighten because this could damage the toilet bowl. Cut the extra length of bolts with a hacksaw. Next, we can install the toilet tank. Place the toilet tank onto the bowl and align the bolt holes. Insert bolts through the holes and secure them with nuts, tightening them evenly. Place the new seat onto the toilet bowl, aligning it with the holes for the bolts. Most new seats come with the necessary hardware, then secure the seat by tightening the bolts and adjust as needed. Then, reconnect the water supply line to the bottom of the toilet tank, tightening it with an adjustable wrench. Turn on the shutoff valve slowly to fill the water tank. Next, caulk the base of the toilet. Apply silicone caulk around the base of the toilet to seal the toilet. Lastly, do a quick test flush. Allow the water tank to fill completely, then flush the toilet multiple times to test the water flow and drainage. And that's how easy it is to replace your toilet. For more videos like this, check out familyhandyman.com.